YF Science is a new generation decentralized platform that enables the different features for the staking, lending, trading, and coin vesting. YFSI is the governance token of YF Science that enables the access to an on-chain decision-making model. And in this video, I will announce some good partnerships of YFSI token.
Feel uninvited.
At this time, this token is available on the CoinGecko, so you can check all the data of this token and the entire supply of the YFSI, YF Science. The entire supply of this token is only and only 31,415 tokens. So definitely the price will increase in future. And the best part about the YFSI that it gives the power to the community and enables the access to an on-chain decision-making models. Additionally, it will be the principal token for staking and farming in the YF Science universe. And the best part about the supply 31,415, that is a unique thing which I am going to share with all the listeners. Basically the 31,415, these 5 digits were the main, you can say the first 5 digits of the mathematical constant PI. So these are those 1 digits. So it's a great thing about this token because the team is just focusing on the science things. Now I will tell you some key features of the entire platform of YF Science, that how it is entirely different. Basically at this time, it is promoting a decentralized platform. Secondly, a trader liquidity lending pools, farming pools, decentralized coin vesting protocol, liquidity lending protocol, and the best part, the vaults. I will share all the links in the description. And now I am going to announce some good partnerships of the YFSI token. And at the end of the video, I am going to share my own price prediction about this token. YFSI announced a partnership with AHF and officially joined their alliance and ecosystem. This alliance will help YFSI to connect to other big projects, mainly like you can say the Triple Z, YMN, and profit the community with the opportunities. AHF has an interesting game theory coupled with a networking use case. Their developer Shades does unofficial audits on the requests and in creating audits on the main alliance to boost the acknowledgement of the hardworking and legitimate projects, mainly like YFSI. So at this time, the team is basically making some good partnerships with big plans. So with the help of that, definitely the price of this token will increase, and also the usage of the entire token YFSI will increase in the entire globe. Right now, this token is available on the Uniswap exchange, so you can easily purchase the token directly from the Uniswap exchange, and also you can join them on the Telegram and Twitter, and you will check all the details of the team. Here you can see the entire blog of the Medium where they basically entered each and everything, especially about the YF Science, and secondly, the main thing about the tokenomics, because the tokenomics are the entire basic thing for any project to survive on. Now at this time, the team of YFSI is trying to list the token on some big and good exchanges. So very soon you can see a huge increase and also a skyrocket very soon. And about as per my own price prediction about the token of YFSI, it will definitely reach up to dollar, you can say minimum $400 to $500 in near future, because the entire supply is very low and the usage of this token is entirely unique. And this team is not basically going to going to the moon instantly. They are just planning each and everything every day, and they are planning for the betterment of the future, and especially in the form of science. So the entire team is working for that. So definitely the price will increase up to $500 in near future. Thanks a lot.